Interior glass cleaning. Nothing is the Achilles heel of a professional detailer more than cleaning glass. It is an absolute pain in the bum to do properly, but that's what separates the boys from the men. So let's get stuck into the car behind me and give you some awesome tips on how to get perfect interior glass. Interior glass is hard to clean for two main reasons. The first one is product or oil buildup on the surface, whether it's from you applying dash dressings like IGL Dash right here, or even worse, Armor All, which is incredibly oily. And also, it is hard to reach every single part of the glass. If you have never worked on a Porsche GT3 RS with a roll cage and tried to clean the rear window, you don't know what you're missing out on in life. So let's have a look at what you need to do to get perfect interior glass. With glass cleaning, you don't need too many tools and equipment. You need a good quality glass cleaner like IGL Glass and a brand new microfiber cloth or a washed microfiber cloth. You don't want a cloth that is too plush and too soft. You don't want to use one of those big fluffy microfiber cloths that's going to leave lint everywhere. The next tip to clean interior glass is to make sure you don't touch anything that has been recently coated. I applied IGL Dash on this yesterday. It should be dry and it should be fine, but I don't want to touch it on purpose because that can either take the IGL Dash off the plastic trim, which will be a problem, or smear IGL Dash onto the window, which will be an even bigger problem. If you have Armor All or anything like that on there that's very oily, do not touch it because it's going to basically smear the product onto the window and make your life a lot worse. Let's now clean this window and show you how I do it. The first rule is never to spray the product straight onto the glass. That's going to get overspray everywhere and you're going to have too much product. The next thing is you need to make sure you have enough product so you can see a streak that immediately disappears after you wipe. You don't want to be loading up your microfiber cloth with product and have it soaking, because that's basically going to leave marks all over your window. And the final hint that I have for you is wipe in only one direction. So when you go and inspect the car from the outside, if you wiped this way and you go from the outside and you're seeing marks going up and down, you know that that's not from your work, that's from the outside. But if you're wiping up and down and you're seeing marks that are up and down, wipe left to right. And if those marks are now left to right instead of up and down, chances are you're creating those smears yourself, and it's on the inside, not on the outside. So let me show you how I do this. From far away, 1, 2, that's it. And wipe off quickly. Don't do slow movements. If you do slow movements, it's going to streak. Wipe very quickly. And then immediately flip the microfiber over to the dry side and follow up with another wipe. It looks nice and easy, but a lot of people get it wrong. Repeat this process as many times as you need to. Flip the microfiber cloth inside and out if you need to. Triple check your work outside in the sun, and keep in mind you cannot clean glass when the windows are too hot. If you're detailing outside in the sun and it's 40 degrees Celsius and the windows are piping hot, there is nothing you're going to be able to do to get perfectly clean glass. It is the weather, it is not your workmanship. Explain that to the customer. Don't get too hung up on it. Products don't work in excessive temperature, and glass is one of those things that you cannot clean if the window is hot. It is impossible to do. Because this car is so dirty, it's a little bit hard to show you. But another problem that people miss is the sunroof. They don't go right to the edges on the inside, and especially the windscreen right over here. So I don't know if you can see my hand. You need to get right inside. If you don't go all the way inside, you're not going to be able to clean it properly. You need to go all the way in to clean it, and especially in the corners right down the bottom. So these are my tips for you on getting perfect glass. I hope this helps you a lot because it's certainly helped me a lot. Thank you for watching.